Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CHK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the red and green line annotation are coming from, and that orange line up there too. But from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So these levels that I'm deleting still do pertain. They're just not relevant for that reason. I just don't want to have lines everywhere you look. So we'll try to keep this as clean as possible. First update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, I talked about 82 cents being an important level of support. And you can see that when that level was broken this morning, from there, that's pretty much what opened up the floodgates and down it went. So a very big technical break, and things are certainly, just looking more and more shaky for the overall chart. Now, to give some credit where credit's due, the price did find some support down at an area where you would want to see it hold as support right here at 75 cents. Meaning if you go back through the history of the chart, you can see that right here, the price was down around that area, found support, and then once again found some support and actually got a little bit of a miniature bounce from there. So that's good to see. And the other reason why, though, that 75 cents is so important is if the price does not hold above there, then, no such thing as a guarantee. But at that point, next level of support, not until all the way down there at the 72 cent mark. So that's another potentially pretty big drop if this downwards pressure continues. But like I said, so far so good. The price is holding up above 75 cents, and that's definitely a situation that you want to see. Although, the situation would have been much better had it stayed up above 82 cents. But it is what it is at this point. So yeah, going forward, the interesting question now becomes, because you got to give some credits through the last part of the day. Nice little upwards movement here. So, is this the start of something bigger? Is this the beginning of a new bullish movement? Well, a very easy way to test that and to see the strength of any sort of movement is, first off, can it get up to 82 cents? And then second, how does the price react once it gets up there? Can it push through it, or does it get rejected right back down? So we'll see what happens with it. But yeah, things are definitely looking shaky. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.